Good morning, students. How are you all? So yesterday we read about what is the presentation organization of data. How can we organize the data in different series? And now we are discussing about the presentation of the data in the textual and the tabular presentation. Presentation of data means you can say like that. For example, we will think about it that first of all we have collect the raw material and then we bake the dish. After the dish, what we have to do, we have to serve the dish. So how we serve the dish, that is called the presentation of the data. Many things depend on the presentation because sometimes we can say that by seeing the things, sometimes we will understand what their motive, what they want to say. So let us discuss about the objectives of presentation of the data. So first of all, I will tell you about that presentation. We can discuss in this chapter about the textual presentation or descriptive presentation, or you can say tabular presentation. And in the next chapter, chapter 6, we will learn about the diagrammatic presentation. That is also a type of presentation. So here we are discussing about the three presentation, and the two we will discuss in the chapter number 5 and 5th, and one we will discuss about the in the chapter number 6. But they are all in the same unit in the chapter unit number 3. So prepare a stamp and leaf plot, describe the data in textual forms, construct the frequency distribution table, create graphs, read and interpret the graphs in the table. So this is with the way of presenting the data. First of all, what we have to do, we have to understand the data is grouped or ungrouped. So data can be classified as a grouped or a ungrouped. Ungrouped data are data that are not organized, or if arranged could only be from the highest to the lowest or lowest to the highest. Group data are data that are organized and arranged into different classes or categories. Now the presentation of data we are discussing here about, already I told you, textual method and the tabular method of the data. How can we represent textual presentation of data? Data can be presented using the graphic paragraphs or sentences. It involves the enumerating importance characteristics, emphasizing significant figures, and identify important features of the data. In textual presentation, data are described within the text. When the quantity of data is not too large, this form of presentation is more suitable. Looking for the case one, in the census of India 2001 reported that there were 49 crore females against 43 crore males. 74 crore people live in the rural India and only 28 crores live in the urban India. So this is the presentation directly. If in a sentence or in a paragraph, you can say we can arrange these things. In the textual presentation, what we are the things is a suitability, means what are the benefits of textual presentation. Quantity of data is not too large. Small data is to be present as a part of a text, and those who are able to read the things directly, they are able to understand that thing easily. And we need to give the emphasis on the statistics truth, on the qualitative information. What are the drawbacks of the textual presentation? Are a serious drawbacks of the textual presentation of the data is that one has to be go through a complete text of the presentation or for the comprehensions. By seeing the things, they are not able to understand, and that is the main drawback of this thing. So what we have to do, we have to be just make them compact or make them as figures, so it will be understood to them easily. So that is the thing we are discussing about here in the presentation of the data. Then textual presentation of data does not suggest to read at the merry glance of the text matter. Textual presentation of data adds to discomfort or the readers in the large area is to be studied. So that is why the textual presentation sometimes it doesn't like by the people. Now we are discussing in the next video about the tabular presentation of the data. how we have to present the data in the tabular form, or it is easy or typical, we can understand that thing in there. So in the textual presentation, the performance sections, or you can say it is in the paragraph form. So sometimes it is difficult to understand, but it is easy to use.